Hello viewers, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. We are asked to find the respective value of h, that is len AB, and x, that is len AC, in this figure. And we have some given parameters supplied here. We have uh, angle ACB, which is 60 degrees, and we have angle ADB, which is 30 degrees, and we have the length CD to be 30 meters. So we are asked to find the respective value of h, but we need to remember that this is right angle triangle. It shows that both angle ABC and angle ABD are right angle triangles. So let's get started. Solution. So first of all, let me consider triangle ABD. So uh we have ABD. So this angle, the given angle is 30 degrees. So since I have the adjacent, I'm looking for the opposite. Now I need to use the relationship between adjacent and opposite. That means I'm going to use tan theta, because tan is the ratio of opposite and adjacent. So uh tan 30 degrees, which is this, is equals to opposite, which is h, that we are looking for, divided by adjacent. Our adjacent is this and this 30 meter plus this. That means I'm going to have 30 plus x. So since I'm looking for h, I need to make h the subject of the formula. That means h is now going to be uh, tan 30 is 1 over root 3, going by our special triangles. So 1 over root 3 into 30 plus x. So when we move a little bit further, that means our h is now going to be 30 plus x divided by root 3. And let me call this our equation 1. Very good. So when we consider triangle ABC, we will get to understand that we are still going to use the ratio of opposite and adjacent, just in the case of ABD. So in this case, our included angle is 60 degrees. So if that is the case, that means our tan 60 degrees is now going to be h divided by x. So h divided by x. So if that is the case, our tan 60 degrees is root 3. So we are now going to have square root of 3 is equals to h divided by x. So going further, I need to make h the subject of the formula in this case. So h is now going to be x root 3, and this is my equation 2. Let me divide the sheet. So when we consider when we relate equation 1 and equation 2, in our equation 1 root 3, in our equation, that is our equation 1, in our equation 2 h root 3. So both equation 1 and equation 2 is equals to h. That means 30 plus x divided by root 3 is equals to x root 3. Very good. So I need to understand that I have only one unknown here, which is x. So I can easily handle the situation. So let me cross multiply, because this is divided by 1. So this is 30 plus x is equals to x times 3, because root 3 times root 3, the answer is 3. So if that is the case, Going further, I'm going to have uh, x. This is x times 3, which is 3x. Then when 3x comes here, I'm going to have minus 3x is equals to minus 30. So x minus 3x is minus 2x is equals to minus 30. Of course, this negative sign will go. So x divided by 2 divided by 30 divided by 2, x is now going to be 15. And don't forget the 15 is in meters. That is very good. So remember, our unknown, we have two unknowns, h and x. Now that we've gotten the value of x, let's use it, or let's use any of the equation 1 or 2 to substitute for the value of h. So in equation 2, uh, we had that in equation 2 we had that h is equals to x root 3. Very good. That means h is now going to be 15 root 3 meters, and these are the values, respective values of x and h. If my video is interesting, useful, helpful in any way, don't hesitate to subscribe, because you'll never want to miss any of my content for any reason. Bye.